The newest Galaxy Book model could be ideal if you're frequently on the move. Samsung's Book 2 360 has flawless hardware and software fundamentals. Its convertible design allows it to function as a laptop or a tablet, and its long battery life and gorgeous AMOLED screen make it easy to take wherever you go. Today, we'll thoroughly evaluate it and see how it performs. Design. The Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 has a simple design and wouldn't look out of place next to other high-quality laptops. The notebook's all-aluminum construction gives it a sturdy, high-end feel. Both the laptop and tent configurations have the same high-end aesthetic, and you can use this gadget with complete confidence in any environment. The Galaxy Book 2 360 is very adaptable because of its touchscreen controls and convertible architecture, which permits the screen to be folded back and used as a tablet. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360 weighs only 1.16 kilograms and is only 12.9 millimeters thick, which is relatively light by many standards.
That's awesome.
To compare, the current MacBook Air, which weighs 1.29 kilograms and measures 16.1 millimeters in thickness. Display. While other PC manufacturers have moved on to taller 16:10 monitors, Samsung has persisted with the older 16:9 format. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360 has a 1080p Super AMOLED panel and a maximum brightness of 500 nits, which is 33% brighter than the first-gen versions.
Impressive.
Although its resolution is only 1920 by 1080. Whether you're using it to watch a movie or edit some photos, you'll be delighted by how smooth and natural it feels, especially with the 10-core chip Intel Core i5 processor to spice things up. We'll go into detail about the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360 performance very soon, so stay tuned. Connectivity. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360 has one Thunderbolt 4 port, one USB-C port, one USB-A 3.2 port, a microSD card slot, a combo audio in/out jack, and an HDMI port for connecting an external monitor, despite being far lighter than many other lightweight laptops. In general, the number of ports on the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360 is a bit limited.
I'm not satisfied.
And we suppose that is one drawback, but at least it comes with wireless options, including Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1. Also, it comes with an S Pen, a travel adapter, and a USB-C cable. We must say, though, the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360's 720p webcam is quite disappointing, especially in bright sunlight, where the image becomes very grainy. Hopefully, we'll see Samsung improve on that with the subsequent release. That said, subscribe to this channel and keep up with any updates going forward. Performance. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360 is powered by a powerful Intel Core i5 CPU with a flexible 10-core chip with 8 power-efficient cores that can adjust their clock speed from 1.3 GHz to 3.3 GHz to preserve battery life.
Wow, that's great.
Stay tuned for more details about the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360's battery life and charging capabilities later in the video. The Galaxy Book is not well suited for demanding professional tasks or gaming despite its Pro label due to its lack of a separate GPU and an A-series processor. But it is more than capable of handling all of the streaming, Zoom conversations, and photo editing tasks. So if you fall into this category of users, be sure to give this video a like. It would be very much appreciated. Software and interface. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360 features Samsung's One UI interface upgrades, so you can expect to find many of the same apps with icons that match their mobile versions that you're already used to if you own a Samsung smartphone.
That's cool.
A long range of Samsung apps can be shared between gadgets, and when it comes to distinguishing features, we can talk about a few. For instance, you can enable Samsung's alternative to AirDrop, Quick Share, or use Second Screen, a feature that allows you to use a Samsung tablet as a second screen. Studio Mode is also available, and it has various features that can improve your appearance during video chats. Battery. The Samsung Galaxy Book 2 360 has excellent battery life and keeps you going all day. Samsung Newsroom says, with up to 21 hours of battery life 3, consumers can move about their day without always being plugged in. That being said, the battery life varies significantly with settings, usage, and other factors, so a little caution would do you good. The good news is you won't have to worry much about charging. Samsung's 65 watts universal charger, which also works with Galaxy phones and tablets, can be used to power it up, and it's swift. You can get up to 40% charged in just 30 minutes.
That sounds cool.
The Book 2 360 is an excellent buy considering hardly many laptops in its price range can match its features. There aren't many complaints with the Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360 as long as you know what you're buying. It has a fantastic battery life and a brilliant screen, and is one of the lightest 15-inch laptops available or tablet if you would have it. That marks the end of this video, and with that being said, if you'd rather have a tablet than a 2-in-1 device like the Galaxy Book 2 360, Samsung's Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra may be the perfect fit for you. Check out our next video and find out more about it. Thanks for watching.